Hello, my friends. Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life. Chances are you probably already saw the club set that we'd released, the Candy Hearts to Stamp and the dies that match with the bonus die. Yay. Okay, well, you know I can't stop with just 4x6. My mind is like, I can never sleep at night because I'm always thinking of other stuff. Well, I had to go further. So I took it a little further with our add-on set, and look at this. So now I've added a ruffled heart, a ruffled candy heart, and the solids that match, and dots that can go in this one, and a different flower one. So I did this flower one, and then I'm like, oh, but I want another flower one, so I did another flower one. I always just design kind of what I want, and I hope you guys like it. That's kind of how I do it, because, you know, I'm an end user. I'm a card maker. That's what I do. I make cards. So here we go. Oh, and a fun heart border. I just really felt like I needed a fun heart border. Well, look at this. Dun, 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 dun. Here we go. Here's our dies that match. We have the dots. We have the ruffled pieces. We have that fun flower that cuts out that big strip of hearts border, and a fun little mini one right there. So check those out. Don't worry, look at the stack of samples I have here. Tons. Okay, so wait for that. Now, I also released, and it's kind of hard to see, so I'll show you this one, the Happy Valentine's Day. We've had so many requests for a die that's nice and large that says Happy Valentine's Day. Well, now you have one, right? And it's an awesome font. I absolutely love it. Oh, and this is connected to, sneak peek, because I'm going to show it to you in a minute, a possible shaker card if you want. Doesn't have to be. Mini Slimline double heart. Look how cute that is, with all my heart. We had so many requests. We came out with this double heart a long time ago, and I'll be honest, I don't even remember. It was really small. It was about this big. And we had so many people contact us and say, I want that to be a folded. It's so awesome, that double heart. Because you can use it for Valentine's Day, for friends, for anniversary, for even birthday, if you love the person. You can also use it for wedding. I mean, wow, you can use it for so many different options. And it's just it's just beautiful. I absolutely love it with all my heart. Now, I also, and hang on. Well, let's show you that right now, because dun, 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 you're also you get the big hearts for Mini Slimline and these 2 extra hearts and some little hearts. So you're gonna have a lot of extra hearts. And I know you're going, well, gosh, I have a lot of hearts. Well, you know what? You kind of need these extras just because. And, you know, hey, came with there, so it doesn't matter. So cute little fold it. I absolutely love it. Moving on, a background die. Look at how gorgeous this background die is. Now, it has these little dots all the way around, cute little hearts. And let me show you a sample of this one really quick, because it always looks better as the sample. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? I absolutely love how it's all those cutouts and everything like that. So beautiful background die. Now, let's move that over. Are you ready for the last item? Are you ready? Now, hopefully you guys got in on the bundle. What's that? Bundle. If you're watching this, the night before the release, you might get in on the bundle. Yay! Okay, not going to talk about it anymore. Okay, ready? 3-pack. This is a layering stencil set, 3-pack. What does that mean? That means you are getting, are you ready for this? You are getting the hearts. Then you're getting, and let's layer this. So let's see if we can layer this. Then you're getting letters to add on there. Kiss me, hug me, XOXO, nice, miss you, love, cutie, hi, XOXO, text me. And then you're getting hearts that go right on top, that kind of fill in the spots. So look at that. 1, and it can be used by itself. 2 words, and it can be used by itself. That's one of the things that I think set our layering dies up, our layering stencils apart. 3 can be used by itself, because our layering stencils not only build on each other, but they can also be used by themselves. So, or mix and match. So what if I want to do these hearts and these hearts? Boom, I can. What if I want to do these hearts and just this? Boom, I can. What if I want to do just this and this? Boom, I can. I know, isn't it awesome? Now, how do you make sure they're going the right way, right? Well, we have our logo at the bottom, the Stamps of Life. You just want to always make sure you can read it. Now, if it's up like this, you can't read it, right? If it's turned this way, you can't read it. You want to make sure you can read it, then you know you're the right side up. Layering stencils, you guys, I'm telling you, it's the future. And whoa, we have so much more coming. So much more. So, whoa, oh, samples, I forgot. Let's get going. Here's an A1 heart if you were in on our kit club. Look at that, how cute that is. Forever in my heart. Open that up. So adorable. Here's another one. Oh, look at this. Here's that background. Here is that stenciled background, you guys. Look at how gorgeous. Use different colors and you're just gonna be amazed. Using the hearts just by themselves, you guys. You're just gonna build. See, the thing about this month especially, and I do this all the time, but it all builds on each other. Yes, you can just use some pieces if you want to. If you have the whole collection though, you're gonna be able to build and just use some of this and some of this, or use all of it, or build and do different things. It all coordinates together. That is the biggest thing. The Stamps of Life, it all coordinates together. So you're gonna be able to get different things and have it all build together. Here's that one that I showed earlier in the club set. Here's that one. Oh, look at this. Now, the stenciling in the background, you guys, with that fun fold it. Look at this. Here's another one. More simple. I absolutely love this. So fun. I love it. Look at that. Here we go. Here's another cute one. Oh, look at those stencils. Oh, those crystals in those stencils. So beautiful. Oh, look at this, you guys. Wedding. Wedding. Wedding, wedding, wedding. I love it, Miss Linda. Perfect for a wedding. Groom and bride. I love it. Oh, and she used the mom embossing folder on the back of that one. Ooh, yummy. Oh, look at this. Happy Valentine's Day. Isn't that adorable? With our fun little hearts in the background, our stitched rectangles. Oh, here's that border, you guys. Here's that border. Look, here's that fun border cut out. So you don't have to glue each one on. You just use the negative, right? So all those little hearts are long gone, but it stays in there. And look how cute this is. Happy Valentine's Day. You're gonna love that Happy Valentine's Day because it's nice and large. Here it is on an A1 size card. A1, A2. So look at how well it fits on both of those. Love it. Oh, here's another one using, this one now, you guys. This one is awesome. Sheila, I love this one because it's the little hearts in the background. It's 2 layers of stitched rectangles and then boom, the Happy Valentine's Day. Yes, it does come with the shadow. Happy Valentine's Day comes with the shadow. Look at that. Simple. So you can go extra fun, like do more stamping. You can go more simple. Kind of depends on who you're giving it to, right? How much time you want to spend on them, how much crafty time you want to spend. Happy Valentine's Day. Also, you guys, don't forget, our angel policy at the Stamps of Life is probably the most easy. As long as you make it, you can sell it. As long as you make the card, you can sell it. So you could make a pack of these, sell them at your local store, at your local drugstore or convenience store, or some people sell them like at doctor's offices. If you know somebody that will put up a basket of these out, like a pack of 3 or a pack of 1 with an envelope, people are selling these, you guys. You could sell these. So I've seen prices from $2 to $8, depending on how much is involved. And then guess what? You can use that money to buy more stuff. Genius, right? Okay, come on. Our angel policy is it allows you to do that. A lot of companies don't though, so please don't use other companies until you find out their angel policy because some companies don't like it. I don't know why. I love it because I figure then you'll buy more of our stuff, right? Right? I want to support you. I want to support you. You go and you make these cards, sell them to your friends that don't craft. Yes, I know that's true. There are some people that don't craft and make cards. I don't know how. I don't know why. My mom would buy these all day long. Luckily, I'm her kid, so she gets them free. But there are people out there that would buy these all day long because this is so much nicer to give than a store-bought card, right? And look how gorgeous it is. I know, you guys, really think about it. I want you to start thinking, where could I sell my cards? Where can you sell them? Anywhere. On my chats on Mondays, on my Monday chats, we talk about that a lot. People are selling them at doctor's offices, convenience stores. Anywhere you know somebody, you can sell. Your husband can take them to work and have a basket on his desk, and it can be the honor system. It works, you guys. They want to buy them. There are people that want to buy them. Etsy, you can even sell them on Etsy. Look at that, you guys. Oh, with our big postage stamp on the back. Oh, isn't that gorgeous? I love that large postage to stamp. Look at that, love. Oh, with that background, beautiful frame all the way around. Open that up, it's all decorated on the inside. Here's another one, a little bit more simple, but beautiful. Using our pearl paper, love it. Oh, here's a cute one with our little moose. I love him. Oh, look at all those rainbow colors. So beautiful. Call me, I miss you. Look at that. Oh my goodness. I think I saved this one for last because I absolutely love it. Here it is. Keep looking up. There might be a rainbow waiting for you. Isn't that beautiful? Love it. Open it up, thinking of you. So gorgeous. Club members, guess what? Depending on which club you're in, you're going to get between 15 to 20% off every single item on our website, including this. And if you get in on that bundle I was talking about, now remember, bundles are usually the night before. Yeah, that's a discount, because whenever you hear the word bundle, that means discount and extra discount because of your club membership. It's awesome. It's awesome. It's awesome. Gold members get extra club points each month. Also, Diamond Club members get even more extra club points each month. It's crazy. You guys go check out our website, thestampsoflife.com. Make sure you also check in and watch our Monday lives. I do a No Makeup Monday where we get together. I sit down and we just chat. It's so much fun. It's like being all together in one room, but you don't have to put makeup on. Yay. Thank you so much, and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.